The 2025 Toyota GR Corolla is a high-performance hatchback that builds upon Toyota's motorsport heritage, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. Engineered by Toyota's Gazoo racing team, it combines rally-inspired technology with everyday practicality. Engine and performance. At the heart of the GR Corolla is a turbocharged 1.6-liter three-cylinder engine, producing approximately 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. This power is transmitted to all four wheels via a full-time all-wheel drive system, ensuring exceptional traction and handling. For 2025, Toyota introduced an 8-speed automatic transmission option alongside the existing 6-speed manual, providing drivers with more choices to suit their preferences. Design and features. The 2025 model features subtle body updates, including a redesigned front bumper that accommodates a sub-radiator and transmission fluid cooler, enhancing cooling efficiency for sustained high performance. Inside, the GR Corolla offers a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and advanced technology, including a 12.3-inch full-color meter and intuitive infotainment system. Pricing and availability. In New Zealand, the 2025 GR Corolla with the automatic transmission is priced at $69,990. This positions it competitively within the hot hatch segment, offering a blend of performance and value. Driving experience. The GR Corolla is engineered to deliver a thrilling driving experience with a sport-tuned suspension and precise steering. Whether navigating tight corners or cruising on open roads, it offers a dynamic and engaging ride. Yes, the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla is notably fast. Equipped with a turbocharged 1.6-liter three-cylinder engine producing approximately 300 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.9 seconds. This impressive acceleration is supported by Toyota's GR4 all-wheel drive system, which enhances traction and stability during rapid starts. In terms of top speed, the GR Corolla reaches approximately 143 miles per hour. These performance figures position the GR Corolla as a formidable competitor in the hot hatch segment, rivaling models like the Volkswagen Golf R and Honda Civic Type R.